In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Beehiiv referral code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. For those of you who may not be familiar, Beehiiv is a fantastic platform for creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to build an audience and share their content efficiently. One of the great features of Beehiiv is their referral program, which rewards you for bringing new users to the platform. Finding your referral code is an important step if you want to start sharing it and earning those rewards. First, make sure you're logged into your Beehiiv account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Just head over to their website, fill out the necessary information, and you'll be on your way. Now, back to finding that referral code. Once you are logged in, you should be taken to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's also your starting point for everything else. On your dashboard, look for a menu or navigation bar. Depending on the layout Beehiiv is currently using, you should see an option labeled Referral or Referrals. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry. Sometimes these tabs can be a bit hidden. Just take a moment to browse around the main dashboard area. The referral option is typically listed under your account settings or profile section. If it's still elusive, you could also check the Help section, which might have updated information on where to find that link or tab. Once you've located the referrals section, click on it. You should be greeted by a new page or section that outlines your referral details. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see your unique referral code, typically accompanied by some information on how the referral program works. Take a moment to read through that information. It's important. You'll want to know how many rewards you can earn, what the requirements are for your referrals, and how the tracking works. This context is not only useful for you, but also helpful when explaining the program to your friends and followers. Now, locating your actual referral code should be as straightforward as looking for a highlighted area or a text box. It might say something like, "Your referral code is," and then follow with a combination of letters and numbers. Make sure to highlight and copy that code, because you'll need it to share with others. Additionally, Beehiiv usually provides a direct link that you can share. This link often contains your referral code embedded within it, so you don't have to worry about giving out just the code alone. It can be a lot easier to share a single link rather than having to explain a code in text. Once you've copied your referral code or link, you're ready to start sharing. You can post it on your social media platforms, include it in newsletters, or even just send it directly to friends or colleagues who might be interested in joining Beehiiv. Remember, part of making the most of your referral code includes promoting the benefits of Beehiiv. So talk about what you love about the platform, whether it's its user-friendly interface, the audience-building tools, or the community support. The more genuine you are about your experience, the more likely people are to take that leap and sign up using your referral link. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Beehiiv referral code. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and that you're excited to start sharing it with others. If you have any questions or need further assistance navigating the Beehiiv platform, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy promoting.